Let's make a single order using your smartphone. Select Single Order and start your purchase. If you're already logged in to your distributor account, select the hamburger icon to go directly to your distributor profile dashboard. Scroll down to Order Type and select. The next page is where you can select the product category you want to order from. Let's choose Lifestyle. Use the search bar at the top of the page to search for all products. Or swipe and select each category to see the products in this category below. Scroll to see the products and select the ones you want to add to your order. Increase or decrease the order quantities of each product by selecting the plus and minus buttons. Choose each product as a single item or a case. As you select each product, it will be added to your cart. A green block will appear at the top of the screen to indicate that the product has been added to your cart. Not all products are sold as singles or in cases. In this case, just select Add to Cart. To view items in your cart or start the checkout process, select the basket item. Review the products in your cart. You can remove items you've changed your mind about by selecting the X next to the product. You can also change quantities for each product by selecting the plus or minus buttons. At the bottom of this page, you can also choose to clear cart. That removes all the items from your cart. If you are happy with the items in your cart, select Next. Select the Shipping Delivery option. For branch delivery, select your nearest branch. Select Door-to-Door Delivery and select Next to add a delivery address. Select Create New to add address details. Select Save to save this information. Select Next to add contact information. Select Create New to add this contact information. Select Create to save this information. You can add delivery instructions in the space provided. Select Next to move on to the payment page. Select a payment option. EFT payments need a reference number that will be provided at the end of the transaction. Credit or debit card purchases will go through immediately. Select Next to see a summary of the payment and to finalize your order. Select Place Order to complete. The reference number for EFT payments will now be provided for your deposit. Congratulations, you've made a single order purchase using your smartphone.